So I had some leftover cabbage in the fridge from a previous video, and I went on the internet and I wanted to look up and find a recipe, something that was easy to make just to use it up. And I stumbled across We Cook Vegan's cabbage soup. And immediately I just was flooded with so many emotions because it reminded me of my mom's cabbage soup that she used to make all the time. My mom's cabbage soup was amazing, and today I'm gonna make it vegan with one secret ingredient for that smoky soul food flavor and a plant-based surprise for that hearty texture. Make sure to stick around to the end because I'm making a quick little something to go perfectly with this cabbage soup. And if you're new to this channel, I'm Rosemary, the Divine Chef. In today's video, it's not just any recipe, it's one straight from my heart and my childhood. My mom was a registered nurse and she was always helping others and always giving. She didn't cook often, but when she did, we were all standing around the stove like we were at a buffet. Now she would throw in smoked ham hocks, but today I'm going to show you how to make that deep smoky flavor and that satisfying meaty texture all plant-based. Let's honor her today with this vegan version. I love how this uses simple, budget-friendly ingredients. But the magic is in how we build flavor and textures. Getting all your ingredients prepped beforehand really makes this process smoother and easier. Now let's get these fresh ingredients prepped. First up, our onion. This is going to be our aromatic base for our soup, giving us that foundational sweetness. Next, the garlic. This powerhouse ingredient brings so much warmth and depth to any dish, and it's absolutely essential for our cozy soup. For this, we want it minced so its beautiful flavors can spread throughout the whole pot. Even though I usually smash my garlic and chop it up on the cutting board to remove the outside peel, this time I'm just going to show you a quick, fast way so you don't have to struggle with that, okay? So what you need is just a clean jar with a lid, and then you throw your garlic cloves in there. They should be fresh garlic cloves as well. Pop them in here, as many as you're going to use. Put your lid on, and you just got to give it a really good shake. Almost there. It reminds me of those exercise shakers. A little more. Here, honey. I need to shake it right. Let Jimmy do it. Shake. Okay, let's see how we did. Well, also you need to use fresh garlic as well. So it peeled. Peel came off that one. Peel came off of that one. And that one. Oh, it came off. Never mind. It came off of most of them except for this one. Okay. I usually put it inside of a bowl with a lid on it, and you definitely have to have fresh garlic to do that, okay? There you go. Cameraman. Right. I'm using small red potatoes like my mom, cut in half. But if you don't have these, you can always use 2 or 3 medium potatoes diced into small pieces. They'll add a wonderful creaminess and heartiness to the soup. If you like a thicker soup, you can always mash a few against the side of the pot later to release their starches. And for a pop of color and a touch of sweetness, we have our bell pepper. I'm using a red one today, but any color will work. Dicing it about the same size of the onion helps everything cook evenly. And now for our star plant-based protein, Beyond Sausage. These are going to give us that incredible savory, meaty texture and extra heartiness, just like the smoked ham hock my mom used. I'm just going to slice them up into small pieces so they can brown beautifully and melt with all those other flavors. Finally, our main ingredients, the cabbage. I'm using half a head of green cabbage. I know it looks like a lot of cabbage, but trust me, it's going to wilt down. My mom didn't use a lot of seasonings, but still got that flavor. She made it taste good with just what she had on hand. It reminds me to cook with love, not just fancy spices. If you like, you can also add an optional bay leaf for an extra layer of aroma. For that deep, smoky flavor that usually came from the ham hocks, we're adding our secret ingredient, liquid smoke. Just a teaspoon or two will do. While the soup is cooking, I just want to say I really miss my mom. She's no longer here with us, but every time I make meals like this, it feels like she's right beside me. She used to come home in her scrubs so tired, but she would whip up this soup because she just knew that it would make us feel better. That's the kind of woman she was, giving, kind, and full of so much quiet strength. All right, so as promised, what's a cozy bowl of cabbage soup without something carby to go with it? Let's make a quick batch of my easy drop biscuits. No fuss, no muss, just mix, drop, and bake. You're gonna love this with the soup. All right, let's taste. Cozy, smoky, with tender potatoes and cabbage, and that satisfying meaty bite from that Beyond sausage. It's like a hug from my childhood. It's good. So yummy. The broth is so smoky, you know? It's so smoky and it's so flavorful. Like just those little ingredients just gave it so much flavor. And that liquid smoke, yes. Reminds me of home. If you enjoyed this video and want more plant-based goodness, consider joining my YouTube membership. As a member, you'll get exclusive recipes, behind-the-scenes videos, access to early videos, plus half off of all my cookbooks on my website. I look forward to you joining us in our cozy kitchen. Bye for now.